Writing a scientific paper is a methodical process that allows you to communicate your research findings effectively within the academic community. Whether you're an experienced researcher or a novice, understanding the key components of a scientific paper and how to present them is crucial. Let's break down the process step by step. Choose a suitable journal. Before you start writing, identify a target journal for your paper. Ensure that the journal's scope aligns with your research topic and that your paper meets their submission guidelines. Understand the structure. Most scientific papers follow a common structure, which typically includes title, abstract, introduction, materials and methods, results, discussion, conclusion, and references.
1. Title and abstract. Title. The title is a concise and informative summary of your study. It should be around 15 words and capture the purpose, scope, and methods of your research. Avoid acronyms, abbreviations, and exclamation marks. Keep it professional and focused. Abstract. The abstract is a condensed version of your paper, usually around 300 words. It provides a snapshot of your study's purpose, methods, main findings, conclusions, and recommendations. Write in the past tense, and avoid discussion, speculation, or references. Stick to the facts and ensure it is clear and concise.
2. Introduction and background. Clearly state the research question or hypothesis and significance your study addresses. Review relevant literature to contextualize your work and demonstrate your understanding of the field. Provide a deeper understanding of the research context by referencing relevant studies. Describe what is known and unknown in your research area, leading to your research question or hypothesis. Engage readers and motivate them to explore further. By the end of this section, readers should understand the knowledge gap you're addressing.
3. Materials and methods. Study design. Describe the experimental design, materials, and methods you used. Describe the study design, whether it's quantitative, such as experimental and survey, or qualitative, such as case study and content analysis. Be precise and detailed so that other researchers can replicate your study. Data collection. Explain how you collected data, including tools, procedures, and any ethical considerations. Detail how you identified variables, collected data, and ensured data validity and reliability. Data analysis. Describe the statistical tests or analytical methods you employed to analyze the data. Explain any assumptions made and address methodological limitations. If using quantitative research, ensure your methodology is replicable.
4. Results. Focus on factual presentation. Organize and present your results logically using tables, figures, and graphs. Ensure they are labeled appropriately and reference them in the text. Ensure your results are self-explanatory and directly address your research question or hypothesis. Stick to factual descriptions. Avoid interpretations or discussions at this stage.
5. Discussion. Interpretation. Reiterate your research question and summarize your findings. Explain and interpret your results within the context of existing literature. Discuss whether your findings align with previous research or introduce new insights. Implications and applications. Explore the implications of your findings. Discuss practical applications, policy recommendations, or potential societal impact. Acknowledge the limitations of your study and address them critically. Future research. Suggest areas for future research, building on your findings and addressing any unanswered questions or limitations. Consider alternative explanations for your results and their implications.
6. Conclusion. Summarize your study's main points, restating your research question and its answer. Emphasize the significance of your findings and their contribution to the field. Provide actionable recommendations based on your research. Discuss how your findings can inform practice, policy, or further academic inquiries.
Take-home message. Writing a scientific paper requires meticulous attention to detail and a clear understanding of the research process. By following these guidelines and structuring your paper effectively, you can effectively communicate your findings and contribute to the advancement of knowledge in your field. Remember to proofread your paper thoroughly and adhere to the specific guidelines of your target journal before submission.